Here's another simple movement moment to remember and share with your teams. One of the most common questions I'm asked is, how do I manage my stiff, sore neck? Stiffness, pain when turning your head, that discomfort when you're looking up. That so-called tech neck is increasingly linked to poor posture, lack of movement and reduced strength in your neck and shoulders. Your head is heavy, and when you're looking down at your phone and holding that posture for long periods, it creates a lot of stress and strain on your neck and shoulders. So doing an exercise to release that tension and reset everything is really important. But the research shows that there's actually 4 great ways to manage that tech neck, stiff neck. The first one, of course, is making sure you get your ergonomics right. The second one is aerobic exercise. The third one is doing your stretches. But the fourth one, and the one that is most commonly recognised as giving the best results, is 4 simple exercises. And these are your flies that will strengthen your neck and shoulder girdle. So do these with me. We're going to do shoulder lifts. We're going to do flies. We're going to do angels. And we're going to do reverse flies, where you're going to put your chest on your knee, sitting down so you're supported. Reverse flies, you're actually squeezing your shoulder blades together. So when you start, make sure that you start off without weights, but build up and do these more over time. As I say, exercise and strengthening your neck and shoulder girdle gives the greatest benefits for managing that tech neck, that sore, stiff neck. And remember, pick up that summary card with the QR codes and a summary of the exercises, and don't forget to connect with me personally.